Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can use the new Siri 2.0 on your iPhone iOS 18 and enable Siri AI on iOS 18. So if you're ready to try this feature out guys, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So first things first, of course, you want to check for the iOS 18 update. First make sure your iPhone is actually running iOS 18. So to check this, what you want to do is you want to go to settings and then click on general, click on software update. And if an update is available, you just want to tap on a download and install. And then guys, the next what you want to do is you want to enable Siri. So once you're on the iOS 18, go to settings and then tap on Siri and search. And you will see new settings for Siri AI. You want to make sure the toggle for hey, listen for hey Siri is actually toggled on. You want to turn this on to basically activate the voice commands. Okay. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to set up Siri with your voice. So if you haven't set up Siri before, or if you just want to retrain, Siri's voice recognition, you want to just tap on Set Up Siri, and then just follow the on-screen instructions to say a few phrases so Siri can learn your voice. This ensures that, Siri responds more accurately to you. And then what you want to do, guys, is you want to activate Siri AI with new features. So Siri 2.0 now has advanced, AI features like contextual responses and personalized suggestions. So you want to simply say, "Hey Siri," followed by a request, or press and hold the side button on iPhone with Face ID to activate Siri manually. And Siri can now help with things like smarter reminders, setting up home automation, and even answering more complex questions. And then, of course, guys, you want to explore Siri shortcuts. So with iOS 18, Siri also supports even more shortcuts. So you want to open up the Shortcuts app, and you can share and you can create custom voice commands to launch apps, control settings, and much more. And then, for example, you can say, "Hey Siri, start my morning routine," and Siri will automate a series of actions for you. And then, of course, guys, you can try the new Siri 2.0 features. So Siri 2.0 has a more intuitive understanding of your needs, offering proactive suggestions based on your habits. So you can ask Siri to, you know, give me directions to work or remind me to call John at 3 p.m. And then just watch Siri handle it like a pro. So with these steps, guys, you'll be able to enjoy all the advanced AI features Siri 2.0 has to offer your iPhone running iOS 18. So I hope this guide was of help to you. And if you found this of any value, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.